gas on that thing. So yeah, I got the helmet mic hooked to Bluetooth, set to voice enhancement. The bike mic, pick up bike noise, is hooked to the receiver, and that's on 3 bars, level 3. Are you fucking going? God, I hate people. More like, are you stopping? So yeah, we'll just head out and bike hasn't even warmed up yet. See what we get. And I have the one mic hooked to Bluetooth in my helmet. I then get the dual track audio with a slider. I can slide it towards the Bluetooth mic more, or slide it towards the helmet mic more. It actually increases it if you slide it, depending on which way you slide it. And I can if I slide it all the way over, it'll turn the helmet mic off. What the fuck is wrong with people? Or it'll turn the bike mic off. Either way. But I got like a 0 to a 100 in each. Or 0 to 50, I think. Yeah, 0 to 50. If I use both hooked to the receiver, then I don't get any adjustability, which really sucks, because that's the clearest, most consistent connection I've found. I should actually try swapping these around, but maybe we'll do that. Put the kind of funny, I gotta watch it with the music playing in the helmet too loud. It picks it up really good sometimes. In the last video I uploaded, YouTube gave me a copyright strike and said it was blocked globally. Video cannot be seen. Like, wow! And it was literally 5 to 10 seconds of it. I just didn't happen to be wearing the helmet at the time. I was goofing around and I left it in there. Well, yeah, with me not wearing the helmet, it picks it up really good. So I had to edit that part out. I decided I wasn't even gonna fucking publish it anyway. Oh, I not even publish this one? I don't know. What does it matter? YouTube fucking hates me ever since they gave me a major community strike or whatever it was. A real strike. Goes away in a couple of days, but since they did that, they shadow banned me and I don't get any views just the way it goes. Fuck the tube. Tesla? Tell you what, that fucker gave me a good run, huh? Alright, so we got the receiver mic in the helmet now. I still got the sensitivity turned up to 3. I really should have turned that down. But maybe not. It's hard to say. The one in my tank bag's still set to voice enhancement. I probably should put that to wind reduction, but say you never know. Things don't always do what they say they're gonna do. Like that noise canceling mode, that's just horrible. Sun going down. What I'm gonna try to do is head over to this other highway. I think I can get a zoom in over there. Zoom. Alright, zoom. Alright, so this will wrap up this video. Ace Pro 2.